All right, unseen 716 rider. All right. I'm sorry, I didn't mean for you to also get scared. Whoa, side of the vehicle. Woo. Okay. Let's go back to this. Okay, remember, we're going through an intersection. Once again, orange stage, prepped and ready for anything like this. We have somebody turning left in front of us. So we already know that going into an intersection, we should be covering the brakes, looking for escapes, because left turners are a big thing right here. So we have one right there. That left turner wants to come out. Okay. So which area in this is going to open up for us for when it comes to an escape? It's gonna be the left. So we can swerve left, because when they're turning or when they're going right, they're gonna want to try to get out of the intersection as quick as possible. So the gap that is opening is behind the vehicle, not in front of the vehicle. So if you chose to swerve right, you might have swerved into them. So slow down, progressive braking, buy yourself some time, and then make that adjustment to go into that escape path. Great job. Handled it. All right, everybody. So when we were talking about the plan method, we jumped into orange stage and we were trying to explain a little bit of that. So we're going to talk about it here. So one of the major things here about orange stage is that you are at a heightened sense. You're a little bit paranoid about what might be going on, because you know that riding can be dangerous if you're not paying attention. Same thing with driving, same thing with walking. You walk into the curb or pond or a parked car or something like that. But when it comes to orange stage, you want to be hyper alert, and we're assessing for things. We're locating hazardous situations, and we are getting ready. So in intersections, we are getting ready. We already looked for our line of sight, space cushions, and escape paths, but we don't know if there's going to be a left turner. We don't know if there's going to be a pedestrian. And in corners, we don't know if there's going to be gravel in the middle of the corner. So we're on higher alert. We're slowing it down just a little bit and getting ready. So if you want to pause this so you can see this, but like I said, it's in the Basic Smart Rider course. The main thing here is that it is a mindset. We're getting into a defensive riding mindset. We're preparing ourselves just in case those things do happen. And if they do happen, we jump into red stage, which is the stage after this. We don't want to go into white or brown. That's a little bit different. We'll talk about that a different day.